Why can authors share your post to their story on Instagram? In this video, I'll show you the ways to fix this kind of issue, and then at the end of the video, you'll learn that author can share your post to their story on Instagram. If you have ever wondered to get more eyes on your Instagram content, the simple way is by allowing others to share your post to their stories. This can boost your visibility and help you reach a wider audience. Here's a quick guide on how to enable this feature. Launch Instagram app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign in to your account. Tap profile picture at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down, open account privacy, and ensure that your account is public or that toggle off the button of private account. Go to Settings and Privacy page or the Activity page. Scroll down. Now open Sharing and Remixes option. Locate option for Allow Post and Reel Sharings to Stories and toggle on the bottom of it. When this is on, people can share your post and reels to their story, and your username will always appear. Once you have done that, others will get chance to share your post to their Instagram story, and from there you can easily fix the issue of others can share your stories or post to their Instagram story. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe for more tech and tips, and thank you for watching.